Namaskar dear friends, I am Sanya Gupta from Sri Ram Global School, Lucknow. I scored the perfect score of 100 in Artificial Intelligence in the CBSE Board examination of 2025. And I am grateful for this opportunity to share my journey with you all. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the people who stood by me and helped me to achieve this milestone. My parents, who are my constant support system, especially with the subjects like physics and chemistry, which I personally found challenging. Principal Mom, whose support went far more beyond academics. Last year was turbulent and transformational one for me. She helped me to navigate through those challenges with strength and clarity. And lastly, my teachers who truly poured their heart and soul into their teaching. I'm deeply thankful to each one of them. And in regards to my preparation for artificial intelligence started from day one. The mantra I followed was simple and effective. I attended every lecture with full concentration and made sure to clear my doubts. I was regular to school and actively took part in class discussions. I treated class tests seriously, seeing them as an opportunity to reflect and revise. Our AI teacher used to share notes with us, and I made it to a point where I write them with intention. I used to focus on each and every word while writing. And if I couldn't, I made sure that I ensure that I read them carefully afterwards. Now, most importantly, there was no skimming or surface level reading. I read everything in detail, understanding the concept truly. My takeaway from this exam is that all aspirants can learn from that is, if you ever have a doubt, don't ignore it. Make sure you clarify it then and there. Avoid the attitude of just let it be, because every small effort counts when you're aiming for excellence. And yes, a perfect 100 doesn't necessarily mean science. I'm enjoying and learning each one of my humanities classes, as I truly believe that put your passion and heart in what truly interests you the most. Success will follow you eventually. Thank you.
Namaskar dear friends, I'm Anshika Pandey from Sri Ram Global School, Lucknow, and I've recently scored 97% in my class 10 boards and a score of 100 on 100 in science. I'm very grateful for this moment to speak here about my journey. First of all, I would like to thank my parents who have supported me at every step of this journey, motivated me when I felt low, and appreciated when I did better. A heartfelt thank you to all my teachers for having faith in me, for believing in me and supporting me. Special thanks to our principal ma'am for creating a learning environment for all of us, providing a solution to all our problems. Talking about my preparation strategy, I believed that consistency is the key. My goal was not to sit and study for 10 hours, rather it was to complete all the tasks that I had mentioned in my to-do list of that particular day. I made notes by myself, I revised regularly and practiced questions provided by my teachers. I did sample papers, previous year question papers. I was regular to school and took special advantage of all the holidays and vacations for my self-improvement and self-study. To all my juniors who are preparing now, my biggest tip would be start early and revise regularly. Don't leave anything for the examination day and complete your syllabus on time. Practice as many questions as you can, work on your presentation skills and track your progress. For science, NCERT is the best resource. Don't waste time searching for references. Study the NCERT each and every line, practice diagrams, learn chemical equations and solve physics numericals. But most importantly, build interest in what you learn, because it is easier to score marks when there is interest rather than when you just study for the sake of getting marks. Lastly, I would like to wish best of luck for your academic journey, and I'm very thankful to my school for providing me this opportunity to speak here. Thank you.